Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the no such interface supported error within your Windows 11 PC. So let's get started right away. Now this error happens when there are problems with your MSVCR DLL file. So in order to fix this, click on your start button and then type in cmd and then click on run as administrator. Once you run the command prompt as your administrator and then use the first command within the command prompt window, just paste your command in and tap on the enter button and then try closing the command prompt after the command has run, and your applications should now run without this error showing up anymore. If it still doesn't help, then try running the command prompt once again as an administrator and this time paste in the second command and press enter once again. This will run a few lines of codes within the command prompt, after which you can once again close it, and now after this point on, you will not see this error on your device anymore. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the no such interface error within your Windows 11 PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.